Hello from Slovenia again. I had some mixed paints left from my previous board that I did a kind of frozen reverse flower dip, and I just want to use them. They are mixed with craft PVA glue. I explained my mixture in my previous video if you want to check. And I layered Prussian blue, manganese blue, my pearl white mixture, phthalo blue, and king's blue. And I just repeat the process for one time more. And I will just straight pour it on canvas. I still really love straight pours because I just love them. They create some nice, I was jiggling a little bit, so they create some nice effects, like a fingerlings or something. And because I used my pearl white, I got some pearls, some kind of cloudy look. And as you will see, I will pour from up high and get a little closer. I kind of speed down this process just a little bit, that you see more of the pattern they create if you go close or high. When I went close, there is more fingerlings, more definition. When I poured from up high, it was more like cell forming and cloudiness and that kind of good stuff. I always wish when I do this that I could just leave it, because it's just beautiful before tilting it out, or maybe just do it on the right round canvas, just that I would be able to keep every beautiful part of this pour, because I end up tilting off some things that I didn't want to, but I still like the end result. But I really want to do one of those on the round canvas, just that I will be able to keep the whole beautiful thing that I see here. But as I said, I like it at the end anyway, so stay tuned for the end results. So here are the dried results, and I love it. It dried beautifully. I love those kind of pearls or clouds, and this middle is just gorgeous. So I'm happy. I still really love some good straight pours. And sometimes when I have paints left over, I just want to throw them into the cup and do a straight pour. So this was it for today. Have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!